Alright, all the machine's officially done. I got both blocks up here on the stands. I got the main bearings sitting over there. I'm going to install those. I'm going to check the clearances, and then we're going to see if the crank fits. So that's where we're at the moment, and I'm going to get to work. Bad news. I've got the rods, nothing to do with the 383. It's still doing well. I got them all the bearings installed and that, getting ready to torque them down, check their clearances, make sure that that's actually ready to go. The bad news is I just called my warehouse and tried to see if I could find the 440 main bearings. I was hoping somebody, Cleveite, King, Federal, what? How do you pronounce that one? Anyways, any brand actually had a 11 under or 10X bearing or something to give me a little more clearance on this thing, and it doesn't seem that anybody makes one. So this motor's really dead in the water. I just tried to call the customer himself and asked him. I mean, obviously it has to be line board, but I at least want to talk with the guy before I do it. This is interesting. So, waiting on a phone call back from him. I'm going to get back to building 383 because so far so good. No hang-ups on that one. I'm going to try to get that done. All right, got to pause what I'm doing. I'm going to do a little road trip real fast. Whoa, make sure we got the shop key on us before we let that door close. That is not it. There it is. I feel it in my pocket. All right, let's get out here. Let's make sure all the doors are locked. Let's go check that front door. But anyways, gotta go do like a little road trip real quick. Pick up some ARP head bolts for LQ4, Jesus, whatever, part numbers. That sounded pretty good. I don't know if the camera picked that up. Like, I know it picked up the sound, but I don't know if it picked up the car. It's a nice looking little Mopar. Anyways, let's go to the warehouse and get these head studs for these guys that are buying them from me right now. So make a couple extra bucks real fast. I just wanted to show that I am able to get ARP bolts same day. The Mopar is getting back on track because as soon as I finish that motor up, I was going to start the Mopar. So let's get the rolling on that guy. I'm guessing technically I was well overdue for an accident because I haven't hurt myself in quite some time. Not badly, at least. I mean, this isn't bad, but it's probably been 3 minutes now since I did it. It's just now stopping, the blood starts. Wow, the blood is starting to stop flowing out my finger like a waterfall. But yeah, I smashed my finger. Oh, not very nice. Oh, but it looks like it got it pretty deep. I'm probably gonna lose that fingernail because like the finger's already pretty purple. But my torque wrench decided to let go of the bolt on the main, and I had my short socket that I was using. So when it decided to let go, my hand, like full force, I was probably at about 75 foot-pounds of torque that I had on there when it let go. So I was pulling on it pretty hard. And I just sandwiched my finger in between the torque wrench handle and the block. On the edge on top of that. That's why it cut me. Here, I'll show you. Here, I was pulling on it, so my hand was underneath it like that, and when it let go, my hand went right into that edge right here. Yeah, that guy. That little edge right there, that's where my finger hit. It God knows how fast, how many pounds, whatever type thing. Like there is blood on everything now, where I reach for the towels. There's some over here, I was running around cussing. Yeah, some of over there, some of over there. A lot down in here, little specks there. Oh, over here. Then I was over here cussing a little bit, so it got on this box. Oh, yeah, I was wondering if the pain was going to stop, because like it was just throbbing like crazy, and I was like, I need this to stop throbbing. Like, I want to get back to working. I thought I'd share this with you. See, it's kind of not bleeding anymore. I still need to hold probably some pressure on it. I'm gonna get back to doing that torquing this thing down. You never realize how much you actually use something until like you injure, like the tip of your finger right there. Then you could pick up a pen and you realize how you hold it with that finger. That's annoying. Anyways, the Mopar has been checked again. The main bearing on the front that's having issues with is no longer an issue. So it's time to install the crank, and that's where we're at and what I'm gonna do. So see you in a little bit. Whoosh. Another vlog has come to an end, which means it's time to smash this like button right here, click on the share button over here, share this vlog with anybody you think might find it interesting, comment down below, let me know what you thought about the vlog. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, that way there you'll get the notifications, and we will talk with you later. Whoosh!